what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. In today's video, it's actually not going to be a heatless hump day video, but I'm still excited because I'm going to be trying this color depositing mask by Moroccan oil in the shade Rose Gold, and I am so excited. It's temporary. The color washes out after a couple of washes, so I will still be blonde. So this is the color. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, and I'll be back to apply this deep conditioner. All right, so let's get started. So real quick, the directions say to apply a generous amount to clean, towel dry hair, section hair, and distribute product evenly using a wide tooth comb. Leave on for 5 to 7 minutes, rinse thoroughly. I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair. So you can see the consistency is very runny. It almost feels thick, but like glue. That's what it feels like the consistency of glue. It smells like cologne. So I have my brush. It's not a wide tooth, but it's fine. Color looks interesting so far. Now that I see it all together, it's looking interesting. I want to say that it did actually feel really good going into my hair, and even combing it out was really easy, and it feels good so far. So we'll see if it even does anything. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave this in my hair for 15 to 20 minutes, even though the directions say 5 to 7 minutes. And I will be back to show you what it's looking like after I rinse it out. Okay, it's time for the big reveal. Wow. I don't even know if you guys can see this color. My hair actually feels pretty good right now, so we'll see. Ooh, I'm interested to see how this is gonna look dry. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair as usual, and I'm gonna let it air dry, and then I will be back to show you the final dry styled results. Okay, so here are the final results of the mask, and I don't know, what do you guys think? So you could see close up. I actually really do like it. I feel like it colored more of my tips though. And I mean, that does make sense because my tips are lighter, but you see like this area right here, it's like an orangey pink or something. I don't know. And like the same, like all the top area. It just kind of, I don't hate it. I feel like it blends well enough that it doesn't look bad. If this was a permanent hair color, I would be low-key upset. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not in love with the results, but I do like how it turned out. And I would definitely be willing to try maybe another color of theirs that they have. So it doesn't look rose gold though to me. Let me show you the back real quick just so you could see what it's looking like back here. Like I said, I am not super ecstatic about how it turned out, but I like it. I don't mind it. I'm curious to see how long it would take to actually wash this out though. So it's supposed to, you know, gradually fade over a couple of washes. So you guys might be seeing a couple more pink hair styles in the near future. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.